Сөйгү näme? Herkim bu soraga özçe jogap berýär. Bu soragyň jogabyny men pikirimçe bir söz bilen düşündirip bolmaýar. Emma söýýän adamyň sesini bolsa bir eşitdeňde tanap bolýar. Öçmejek söýgü bagytly maskaly gurmak bilen dowam edýär. Bu da bizim bagyt doýumuz.
If what we had was real, how could you be fine? 'Cause I'm not fine at all. I remember the day you told me you were leaving. I remember the makeup running down your face, and the dreams you left behind you didn't need them. Like every single wish we ever made. I wish that I could wake up with amnesia and forget about the stupid little things, like the way it felt to fall asleep next to you, and the memories I never can escape. 'Cause I'm not fine at all. Blacked out, everything's faded on your love. I'm already wasted, so close that I can taste it now. So let's break right out of this gilded cages. We're gonna make it now. Don't ever turn around. Don't ever turn around. Nobody else needs to know where we might go. We could just run them red lights. We could just run them red lights. There ain't no reason to stay. We'd be like years away. We could just run them red lights. We could just run them red lights. We could just run them red lights. White lights blur in the darkness.